Morning everyone, I am Parshuram Santosh Kodu from Fieldwork Group number 5 and under supervising of Miss Asawari Zapke Man. And my fieldwork community is in Yotmal and the duration of fieldwork is from 7th September to 2nd October. Talking about Yotmal, it is also known as the Cotton City. It is famous for the grand celebration of the Durga festival. Most of the thalassemia and sickle cell patients are belongs to Yotmal district. Rate of unemployment increases since the pandemic situation in Yotmal. To know the issues of the community, I had given visit to government hospital Yotmal. There I meet social worker. They told me that currently there are lots of patients who are suffering from dengue disease. So that platelet requirement in government blood bank got increased. People are getting scared to get admit in government hospitals because of strict rule to must have a COVID rapid test. The people used to go private hospital even though they are financially unstable, and it is came to know that people are not allowed to celebrate festivals in public places. I had chosen a group of thalassemia and sickle cell patients. There are total 30 members in my group including parents from the age group of 7 months to 23 years, and there are 9 boys and 5 girls in my group, and the objective of the groups are like to open a daycare center for thalassemia patients and to tell them about the importance of blood filter kits and to create awareness of this disease. Intervention plan is prepared by social work trainee with the help of group, which consists of 4 sessions with the group and 3 activities in the community. Various sessions were conducted by social work trainee. To enhance the social work practice, for the first session, I had invited Dr. Praveen Inzarkar sir to guide thalassemia patients' parents about the bone marrow transplantation. But as the transplantation is so costly and very risky, so that I got negative response from the parents. And for the second session, I had invited parents of the thalassemia patients to share their experiences so that whatever the problems they face in their life, others may not be. They guided parents to use blood filter kits with the money which the patients are getting by their disability card. In the third session, I with the parents of thalassemia patient had given visit to district collector office and given a request letter to them for opening a daycare center in government hospital Yotmal. Parents discussed their problem that every month they need to stay for 3 days in hospital just to get blood, and the necessary medicines are not available. So parents demand to open a daycare center in a hospital. In the fourth session, I teach them the importance of healthy lifestyle by using the medium of yoga. I teach them the two most important pranayam, which is Kapalbhati and Anulom Vilom, which helps to increase hemoglobin in body. And for the sickle cell patient, I guided them to drink as much as water, because by drinking water only this disease can be get cured. The first activity, I organized vaccination camp in collaboration with Niswat Seva Foundation at Pimpalgaon School. I worked there as a volunteer with NGO. Total 180 vaccine doses were given to the people. While asking doctor about vaccine, they told that once it is kept open, it is having only 4 hours life. 0.5 ml dose is given to everyone. After 15 days, we can able to donate blood. It is obvious that most of the people wants to take only Covishield vaccine, and people who are suffering from thyroid disease are not allowed to take vaccine dose. In the second activity, I participate in the tree plantation program in collaboration with Friday for Future team under the guidance of Professor Ghanshyam Darne sir. We all come together and work as a volunteer and accept the guardianship of the plants. In the third activity, I participated in cleanliness drive in collaboration with Sankalpa Foundation and Surya Academy at Sankat Mochan Lake, and there we organized cleanliness rally to promote cleanliness in the community. It is observed that people used to throw medical waste in lake, and we requested Nagar Palika to look at this issue because it is main reason behind spreading of dengue disease in community. The objective of the initiative is that a clean India would be a best tribute India could pay to Mahatma Gandhi on his 152nd of birth anniversary. So that I organize a small tree plantation program in my colony with the help of my friends. Social work trainee prepared a termination plan. Objectives are like to meet group members and ask feedback, to guide parents by practically performing disability card making procedure, to inform parents about availability of filter kits in Jivandhara Medical, and to inform group members about the closure. Observations are like Lack of awareness among people about vaccinations, impact on government hospital medical ward because of dengue patients. People are getting afraid to get admit in government hospitals and impact on educational institutions. Learning is that improvement in empathy towards person in problem and how to use social work methods in field and how to follow social work principles in field, and my communication skill also got improved. Challenges are like children didn't cooperate while teaching them yoga, and to solve the financial problem of the group member, and problems of groups takes more time to get proper result, and listening to every group member. Thank you.